Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use BCC in Gmail step by step. BCC, which stands for Blind Carbon Copy, lets you send an email to multiple recipients while keeping their email addresses hidden from each other. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Once your Gmail inbox opens, click the Compose button to create a new email. A new message window will appear. In the top right corner of the To field, click BCC. A new BCC field will appear below the To field. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to send the message to in the BCC field. If you're sending the email to one primary recipient, enter their email address in the To field. If you're sending the same email to a large group without a primary recipient, you can enter your own email address in the To field and add everyone else to the BCC field. Next, enter the subject of your email. Then, type your message as you normally would. Before sending, double-check the recipients to make sure everyone is in the correct field. When you're ready, click Send. The recipients in the BCC field will receive the email, but they won't be able to see the email addresses of the other BCC recipients. Using BCC is a great way to protect people's privacy when sending emails to multiple contacts. And that's it. You've successfully used BCC in Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Google Workspace tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.